Hi, my name is Erin Albrecht, and I'm the Data and Evaluation Manager for the Incredible Years at Invest in Kids. This video tutorial shows you how to change your password in Apricot. So, once you have logged into the site using your existing password, you will get to the home page, which looks like this. To change your password, you're going to take your mouse and go all the way over to the upper right-hand corner. You'll see your name here, and then you'll see this arrow. You need to click on the arrow and go down to Change Password. Now you're going to be prompted to enter your current password, and then you're going to be asked to come up with a new password and enter that twice to confirm it. In order to create a new password in the system, it has to meet a few requirements. So first, the new password has to be at least 5 characters in length. It must contain at least one number, and it also must contain at least one symbol. And then lastly, something that is required of passwords is that in order to successfully change it, down here the bar is going to light up to either medium or high with password strength. You have to hit medium or high. If it's on the lower end of the scale down here, it's not going to be considered a strong enough password for Apricot to accept it. So just know that going in. And now I'm going to enter a new password. Okay, so I entered a matching password. It had at least one number, there was at least one symbol in there, and it looks like my password strength is very strong. So now I'm going to click Change Password, and I get this notification, password updated successfully. So bam, I have updated my password for my Apricot account. Thank you for watching.